What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an audiobook using this AI tool called the Murf AI. You can go from text to speech with a versatile AI voice generator. This AI is AI enabled and it comprises of 3 people's voices, so you can easily make studio quality voiceover in minutes. You can use the Murf's lifelike AI voices for podcasts, video and all of your professional presentations right there. Thousands of people, millions of people have been able to make use of this AI tool called the Murf AI. There is a voice for every need, creative, corporate or entertainment. There is a Murf voice for every creator right here. So guys, all you want to do is easily just sign up with your email address and it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here guys, you are just a few minutes away from creating a stunning voiceover right here. So you simply go on to create project. Now right here guys, you can simply give this project a title. You create a folder right here. So you go into the audio section right here. You can easily stand blank or you can easily put in an e-learning module. You can create an audio ad, AVR system, audiobook and lots more. So I'm just going to go into the audiobook and tap on create project and it's going to take us right onto this page. So guys, once you're right here on this page, the first thing you want to actually do is to put in your text. So I'm just going to paste in the text right here that I do have. Okay, so I'm just going to split script by paragraph right here. Now I'm going to split the script by sentences right here guys, and simply just tap on paste script. So this is it right here. I've been able to split it by sentence right here. So guys, I can easily just do this right here. Okay, and I come right here guys and do the same. So I want to split it this way. So once you're done with all of this right, so now you can easily select your voice right here. We have lots of voices, so you want to easily just select your voice right here. You can select the country, male, female or not binary. You can easily select the age groups right here. You can choose a voice style right here, and guys, you can also add your speech, your speed. You can add pause and there's pronunciation right here. So guys, all you want to do is to tap on this to generate the audio. You go on to the next paragraph right here. You tap on this to generate your audio. You go on to the next and you simply just generate your audio right here. So once you're done with this, I'm just going to go on to the first right here and I can easily just play this. So that is it. Or I can easily go right here and play all the text together. So I'm just going to build the preview right here. Now building the preview takes some few seconds for that to build. As you can see, the preview is updated. So I'm just going to click to play. So guys, that is it right here. So once you're done with this, all you want to simply do guys is to go onto the export button right here. So guys, in order for you to be able to export this voice right there, you want to simply upgrade your plan. So a paid plan right there. So that is it. So that is the only coins about this Murf AI. So you want to simply just upgrade your plan for you to be able to download your voiceover right there. But guys, this is how you are able to create an audiobook making use of this AI tool called the Murf AI.